Ingredients: 4 pieces of vermicelli, meatballs, bok choy, egg, onion, 5 pieces of red onion, 4 pieces of garlic, 5 pieces of chili, leeks and celery, 1 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, and flavoring. Water, 5 tablespoons oyster sauce, 5 tablespoons sweet soy sauce, and cooking oil. Frying pan and spoon. Methods:
First, soak the vermicelli in cold water for 5 minutes, then drain. Mix vermicelli with sweet soy sauce and oyster sauce according to taste. Pure the shallot and garlic. Turn on the stove, then prepare the frying pan. Add cooking oil to stir fry.
Saute the onions and ground spices until fragrant. Add 1 egg, then scramble. Add meatball and covered bok choy. Add ground pepper and coriander powder according to taste. Add flavoring according to taste.
Add vermicelli and stir until cooked. Last, add leeks, celery, and chili for a more delicious aroma and taste. Stir until the spices are absorbed and evenly distributed. Serve and add cracker as a complement. Fried vermicelli is ready to eat.
괜찮아. 괜찮아요. 괜찮아. 괜찮아.